County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Now for the official national.
Well, now that was SGX's weekly. First alert actually activated this time. The WR120 didn't. Everything else in here except for the WR120 activated.
20 miles an hour becoming east in the afternoon. Tonight, clear.
Of course, these two don't activate, no matter where I put them. I don't know why they've been doing that. I have the weekly test enabled and Riverside County's event code placed in there. Why aren't they activating? They have good reception, as you can obviously see. Oh well, that's SGX for you. Bye now.